Hey guys, this is Moller from Moller Smokers. On today's episode, we're gonna keep working on the 600-gallon custom trailer for Will's Barbecue in Germany. Welcome to Building Smokers in Europe, a series where I take you with me on the journey of building my brand, Moller Smokers, from the ground up. Step behind the scenes as I design, build, and refine the most authentic Texas-style barbecue pits in Europe. This is my daily life at the shop, unfiltered. Alright guys, episode 16. We're continuing with the build of the 600-gallon trailer. On last week's episode, we did the firebox shell. And now I'm doing the collector, which I'm already welding out. The collector's welded out. This time I didn't weld the initial piece of stack that I always put at this stage, because this one is going to have counterweights and I don't know still how tall I want this to be. So let's make the fitting. Alright guys, the collector is welded, looking good. This thing is already starting to look like a smoker. Now let's start cutting the doors. First thing I'm gonna do is cut the top line and weld the hinges. I screwed up the video, but here's everything that happened. The hinges are welded, the doors are cut. I made the handles. It's looking really good. Turns out this tank is really thick, almost 7 millimeters. So it's a good one. Okay guys, today I got some help. We just stacked in the liner for the firebox. We're doing a 6 mil hex shaped liner because I wanted to use the second half of this tank and roll it up again and use it as a liner, but it's not thick enough. So we're going to do the hex. Got this one tacked up and ready. Let's weld it out. Alright guys, the liner is fully welded. It's looking good. I coated it with linseed oil to protect it on the inside because it's going to be sealed. And Eloy here is marking the holes for the door trims. And he already cleaned up the inside of the firebox, which we already coated also with linseed oil. And we're almost ready to make the fitting. We got the liner in place and we're about to fill it up with insulation. We got the rock wool in. We're gonna close it up now. Alright guys, it's the next day. The smoker is looking badass. I just finished welding the inside seam, so it's time to do the outer welds. And it's done guys. The firebox is fully welded, liner and everything. I'm very happy about how this firebox came out. It exceeded all my expectations on an insulated box like this. And I'm also very happy that I found Eloy. He's really helping me out with this build. And that's it for today, folks. On the next episode, we're going to be working on the counterweights for the doors and the stack assembly. So stay tuned for that. And if you like this kind of content, you know the drill. Subscribe, leave a comment, and ask any questions you want. I'll see you in the next one.